Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life. Before I say anything about this video, I just want everyone to know that I kind of got the idea to do this video from a YouTube channel that I know. It's a channel I've subscribed to, and they've also subscribed to my channel. But the channel's called Country Girl Strongheart, and this is Thanksgiving Day 2020. And Country Girl Strongheart did a kind of a neat thing I thought was, wishing everybody a happy Thanksgiving. It's a pretty neat video. Did it early this morning and it was foggy, so she had a really cool foggy background to the video, so I thought that was cool. And that's where I kind of got the idea to do this video. So I'm in one of our favorite places in our woods. This is our cedar grove. Got a bunch of cedar trees around it, and kind of a neat place to hang out. And I thought, I want to wish all of my subscribers that, come and watch our channel, very happy Thanksgiving. Appreciate each and every one of you. Get a chance to check out Country Girl Strongheart's channel. It's pretty cool. I know everyone's had kind of a crazy year, or most everybody I'm sure has had a pretty crazy year, so hope all your holidays are safe and happy, and everybody's taking care of themselves. Hopefully 2021 will be a lot different time and they'll get some stuff straightened out in this crazy world. But I just want to say hi to everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Hope the holidays are great. So from Missouri Clark Life, you all be safe, you be strong, and thanks a million for subscribing. Be sure to share our channel with your friends and family, and anybody new that happens to come across this video, I appreciate it if you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So from Missouri Clark Life, I'm Kevin, and let's hope 2021's a lot different. So everybody be safe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.